Today we are diving into something exciting because what's inside this box is about to revolutionize the way I blend, chop and create kitchen wonders. I'm Oluwatunseyi and you're in for a treat, so let's crack this box open. It is Waring Xtreme Blender 3.5 horsepower, that's HP, as you can see. Yes, this is it. I grabbed my scissors. This blender is from Frankincense Kitchen Gadgets, one of the best kitchen gadget store around. It is Waring Commercial Xtreme Blender. This is the cup, very solid. This is the manual. This is the blender cup. This is the pusher. So while blending, you can use it to push down your food for uniform blending. This is heavy. Here is the dry mill. I like the fact that it is a stainless steel cup. It is big enough to contain volumes. So nice. If you have dry ingredients like turmeric, the turmeric color won't stain it. After use, just wash and dry and you are good. That's one of the difference between plastic and stainless steel cups for blending. I got this from Frankincense Kitchen Gadgets. I'll let you know as time goes on what I get to do with all of this. Now to the review. You must have seen me use this blender in some of my videos. Okay, kindly check out my tomato pepper mix blending hack. The link is in the description. Look at what we have here. It's blended it so well, including the seeds and the skin. Here is me trying to make catfish powder using catfish head. Okay. Link to this video is also in the description. Look at the outcome. I've also grinded some spices with this dry mill. Curry powder. Here is the outcome, and after washing, no residual stain of the turmeric. The link to this video is in the description. Also, Peppersoup spice mix, link in the description. I like this dry mill because of the big size of the cup, and also it's easy to clean and does not retain any stain after use. I've mentioned that earlier. Here is the outcome. And there you have it, friends. The journey from unboxing to blending bliss review is complete. If you enjoyed this adventure as much as I did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen delights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the next one. Until next time, keep blending and savoring the flavors in your kitchen. This is Oluwatunseyi signing off and saying, blend it like you mean it. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.